Yo, 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 what is up, everybody? You already know who it is. You know what time it is. Today we are at, just a glorious little honey hole. I was invited out here by my big homie. You see him right here, pulling up the boat. We got a little mystery machine action going on today. What you gonna do today, man?
Throwing frogs and finesse.
Frogs and finesse.
It's gonna get it done.
That's what's gonna get it done. Well, you heard it from the man himself, guys. So we're gonna get out here on this water. I appreciate everybody for rocking with my channel. All the love and support is amazing. You guys are awesome. And stop by gonefishing804.com, grab you some swag. As it's your first time seeing any of my content, please make sure you go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell notification. That way you'll be notified anytime I post something fishing related. We just had a blow up right there, like we're right in front of us, so you know what time it is. We're about to get on this top water bite. You guys just keep rocking with me, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So today, guys, we are going to start off with a Savage Gear little frog, all black. He should be money. We done seen a couple fish blow up already, so we'll see if we can't get some on this little frog.
Coming up. There you go.
First fish, guys, on the frog. He come off.
Oh.
God, dog it. Like, these bugs are flying around me, y'all. It's like so insane. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh,
I
what?
wasn't even looking.
You weren't looking?
I wasn't looking. I was looking at the damn trolling motor.
Got him. Ah. Come on. Get him in here. There we go. Yes, sir. Nice 2-pounder.
First one of the day. First one
Nice.
of the day.
Awesome.
There you go.
I think I got this one. Come on in here. Come here. Don't jump. Do not jump. Just stay under that water until you get to this boat, please, sir. Come on in here. Yeah, he got that frog. He got that frog. Nice. Hey, bro. Chill. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. Yes, sir. First fish on the day, guys. All right, little dude. Thank you. Get on out of here. Whoo. Ooh, wee. He smacked that thing. Nice one. Nice.
That's a good one.
There we go. Frustrating. That's the thing about frog fishing, man.
Especially in this pond, they like to jump a lot.
Man, jump and spit that hook, boy.
They're good at it.
They've been here before.
Yeah, I tell you what, me and my buddy came here one day, we probably caught at least 20 on a frog, and we lost 20 on a frog. I mean, I caught 17 straight fish, and they all jumped off.
Wow. I'm gonna delay my hook set. I'm gonna try to delay my hook set way longer, but without missing the fish. It's like a fine line between him still having it in his mouth or you just totally missing it because you didn't set fast enough. But if you set too quick,
It's gonna get him in the lip.
he ain't gonna get hooked very good. And he'll throw it. That had to be like a 3.5 right there.
No doubt.
He came up and smashed that frog like he was out of the water after it. It would have been nice to see him in the boat. Oh, he fooled me, he got me.
He was thinking maybe I could bite a leg off.
Right, that's all I need. Just one little leg.
There you go.
Stay down. Oh, there you go, he's still there. He's still there. He's hooked pretty good.
Throw him up in here. Throw him up in here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Where are you hooked at? Let me just let you, I don't want to get a hook in the hand. There we go, guys. Finally got another one on the Savage gear. Let's go, baby. All right, dude, chill, chill, just relax. All right, dude, later. Let's go. So look, y'all, we've been turning up. Me and Josh have been going ham. Both of us have lost count of the fish we have hooked into. So this is like a mid-morning. Oh, he's got one now. He's got one now. That's probably the biggest of the day right there.
Right there. Bug eye. Look at his eye.
Sweet. Beautiful fish. So like I said, guys, we are doing good. We're doing great. Excellent day out here. Probably the best day this year I've had frog fishing. So we're going to keep throwing the frog and we're going to make it do what it do. Y'all just keep rocking with us. Let's get it. Come here, little buddy. Come here. Yes, sir.
He's on him.
A little bit smaller, but he ate that frog. Come here. Get that out of there. There we go. A little 1.5 pounds. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry, dude. Hey, look. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. Gerald, just calm down, okay? Get out of here. Bye.
Surprised he ain't got a bite over here yet.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It's like this side. It's just like. We see. There we go. As we was talking about it. Let's go, baby. Another one on the frog. Nice little decent one. All right, buddy. Woo. Let's go, baby. Another little decent fish. Oh, this is one thing about frog fishing right here that you just have to go through when they're eating it real good. They pull your whole entire frog off the hooks and you gotta rework the stuff back in there. But this Savage gear is about to be all the paint gone off of it from these fishing here today. That was cool. That was cool.
Dang it.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Stop all that head shaking and get on in here. Woo. Ah, boy.
Killing it with that frog, man.
Oh, another one. Let's go. Where are you hooked at? I did not see where you were hooked, sir. Okay. It wasn't even like, it wasn't even like, the frog was just sitting in his mouth. But there we go, guys. Another decent little frogfish. Whoo! So, it looks like, I don't even want to say this to y'all right now because I feel like if I say this, I'm going to jinx myself and not catch any more frogfish. But, those, I lost three? I lost three fish, at least on the frog. And, see, he kind of did what I was doing at first. And you have to be relaxed. When you see that frog come up and eat that, when you see the frog come up, when you see the fish come up and eat that frog, you got to give him a second and then reel down and try to rip his lips off. Because if you set too quick, that fish gonna be gone. He may have it for a second, but you can see earlier when I was trying to set on them, they would just fly off. They would throw it. They're really good in here at throwing the hook. So just give them a second and then set on them. Ah! See, I said I didn't want to say that. I said I didn't want to say that.
You should have waited till we were out of the pocket to say it.
Yeah, I know, man. But I had to let him know, though, you know? Dang it. He was probably a smaller one, though. And the technique with working the frog that's been working for me, guys, is just working it really quickly and then just stopping it for a second. Then go back to working them really quickly and stopping them for a second. And these fish usually have been coming and hitting it on the paws. They haven't come and chased it while it was actually moving. And wait a second. When I wait a second and pause it, that's when they've been coming to hit it. That one smacked it. I thought he was gonna be way bigger than that by the sound of that blow up. That's a nice one though. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Didn't even see him blow up on it.
That's it under. Small one. Smallest one of the day.
No, he's all right. Whoa, where are you going, mean guy? Yeah, he's a decent one.
Looks a lot smaller when you jump.
Yes, sir. These fish are tearing these frogs up.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Woo! Yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir. Let's go. Uh-oh. No! No! They killed him. They killed him. Ah! Let's see if he got a couple more runs left in him. Oh, man, look, they ripped him open. He didn't caught too many fish. And they ripped him open, man. Let's see if he can still float. What is good, everybody? Man, we got into a boatload of fish, man. This video is chock full of fish, man, and I can't wait to show you more. If you guys want to see the rest of this series, little mini series, throwing this frog in this little pond that is just, these fish are so savage, man. Drop a comment, drop a like. If this thing gets up to, I don't know, 500 likes, I will drop the second episode where we were just hooking to some monster fish. I appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, man. All my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my day ones, my A1s. You guys are amazing. And I mean, until we get 500 likes, you know what I mean? Keep them lines wet, because it's all about the hook set. Let's get it.